When your part geometry gets tricky, manually modeling soft jaws can become a time-consuming task. Time your spindle could be turning. Meet CloudNC Soft Jaw Designer, a free plugin that turns that chore into just a few mouse clicks. Simply open Soft Jaw Designer, select your part, select the 2 jaw stocks, select spindle direction, select jaw opening direction, then just click OK. Repeat the process for the other side. Seconds later, you're looking at production-ready jaws, complete with allowance and corner relief, and still fully editable in your native CAM package. Internal benchmarks show using Soft Jaw Designer is far faster than modeling by hand. Automatic allowances stop crushed walls and chatter-inducing looseness, so you can hit cycle start with confidence on the very first clamp. Organic surfaces, draft angles, freeform curves. Soft Jaw Designer handles them all and keeps your workflow clean. Quote faster, win more jobs, and keep that spindle turning, not the CAD modeler. Download CloudNC Soft Jaw Designer today for free and turn soft jaw modeling into a 5-second habit. CloudNC, accelerated by AI.